Welcome to Roam Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Roam research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video shares my personal experience using AskViable. AskViable, https://www.askviable.com, is a fascinating tool that leverages AI to analyze your customer feedback. It can sift through vast amounts of survey responses, support tickets, and even social media mentions to identify recurring themes and sentiments. This allows you to quickly pinpoint areas for improvement and understand what your customers truly value. Imagine having a tireless research assistant that can process thousands of comments and distill them into actionable insights. That's essentially what AskViable offers. It's incredibly valuable for product development, customer service improvements, and understanding market trends. One of the key strengths of AskViable is its ability to go beyond simple keyword analysis. It uses natural language processing to understand the context and meaning behind customer feedback. This means it can identify subtle nuances and patterns that might be missed by traditional analysis methods. For example, instead of simply counting how many times the word slow appears, AskViable can understand the different contexts in which it's used, like slow website versus slow shipping. This nuanced understanding allows for more targeted and effective responses. Beyond identifying problems, AskViable can also surface positive feedback and highlight what customers love about your product or service. This is crucial for reinforcing successful strategies and understanding what aspects of your offering resonate most strongly with your audience. It helps to not only fix what's broken but also double down on what's working. Furthermore, by analyzing trends over time, AskViable can help you track the impact of changes you make and measure the effectiveness of your efforts to improve customer satisfaction. Setting up AskViable is relatively straightforward. You can integrate it with various data sources, including SurveyMonkey, Zendesk, and Intercom, to streamline the feedback analysis process. This integration capability saves you time and effort by automatically pulling in data from the platforms you already use. Once the data is integrated, AskViable's intuitive dashboard presents the key insights in a clear and concise manner. You can easily explore different themes, filter results, and drill down into specific customer comments to gain a deeper understanding of the underlying issues. In conclusion, if you're looking for a powerful and efficient way to analyze customer feedback, I highly recommend checking out AskViable. Its AI-powered analysis provides valuable insights that can help you improve your product, enhance customer satisfaction, and stay ahead of the competition. Remember, all the links are in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe for more Roam research tips and let me know in the comments what you think.